Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate ko, Beshi. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa na another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at mga bago po nating viewers. As promised, ito na po yung kasunod ng ating pagbasa sa unang yugto. So, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging outcome. We have the Four of Pentacles. We have the Four of Cups. The Fool. The Ace of Cups. The Page of Swords. The Hierophant. The Three of Cups. The Six of Wands. The Nine of Wands. And the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Seven of Cups. Okay, Cancer. So, yung heart of the matter dito is Four of Pentacles. You're holding tightly dito sa relationship na to. You don't want to let it go. Siguro kasi nga, you love the person. Okay? Love mo naman eh. Gusto mo yung relationship. Kahit nasabihin natin na may frustration, no? Nababagalan ka. And what's crossing this reading is the Four of Cups. Yung sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung future mo dito na, yung near future mo na para nagkakaroon ka ng pag-aalinlangan sa pagmamahal na to. You're holding tightly on this relationship pero meron kang alinlangan. You don't want to parang ibigay yung full 100% mo. Kung gaba, there is a bit of hesitation pagdating dito sa relationship na to. Kasi yung nakaraan, no, you try your best, no, to understand and sige, I will parang go with the flow pagdating dito sa person ko. Iintindihin ko siya kung bakit ganun siya mag-react o bakit ganun siya sa akin, yung oras niya, yung pagmamahal niya, okay, lahat yan iniintindi ko. Kasi mahal ko nga eh. And because nga I value the relationship, no? With the Hierophant, gusto ko eventually na maging mas kami, mag-lead kami to a much stable relationship. Pwede nga maging kami na at the end. Kasi alam ko naman nag-uusap naman kami, no? We've been very honest with each other na talagang no matter what, magiging honest tayo. Ito yung napag-usapan namin kung bakit nagkakaroon kami ng hindi pagkakaintindihan. So, na-clear out namin yung issue na yon, yung movement na yon. And somehow, dahil sa pag-uusap na yan, we can see both a new beginning when it comes to this relationship, which is good. And this is something that we wanted to celebrate kasi nagkaroon kami ng parang pagkakaintindihan na aayusin namin to, no? Yung kung ano man yung pagkakamali o hindi nagawa ng person ko, aayusin niya, and things will be more in harmony. And we see na talagang magiging maayos na yung aming relationship. And kung before is parang nafe-feel ko na gusto ko na mag-give up kasi napapagod na ako dito sa nagiging takbo ng aming relationship. But actually, ngayon hindi because I'm willing more to wait and be patient about it. At because I know eventually magiging ano rin ito, yung kung ano man yung pinag-iintay namin ngayon o ako, lahat ito is magiging magkakaroon ng fruition, okay? Yung magbubunga lahat ito ng maganda sa amin in the near future. And yung idea na marami ka pang pagpipilian is really out of the question for me kasi I know I want this person already sa buhay ko. And dahil sa in-offer niya sa aking pagmamahal, kaya kung gaba yung feeling na iiwan niya ako, hindi mangyayari yon because I know this person is already my wish fulfillment. No, this person is already what God has given me. Ito siya yung winish ko siya. So alam kong siya yung talagang para sa akin, okay? And hindi niya ako i-abandon kasi alam kong yung inoffer niya talaga sa akin pagmamahal is really truthful, no, yung totoo. So kung gaba, I know I made the right choice. I made the right choice na by staying and making things work out dito sa person ko. Okay? So I think maayos naman yung reading, no? And nothing for me to clarify. That's why, di ba, ang una pa lang is you hold on to this. Naniwala ka sa pag-ibig na ito, na talagang siya yung person para sa'yo. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message na gustong iparating sa'yo. We have last quarter moon in Pisces, talk less, feel more. Yeah, diba? Mas more of feeling kayo na Cancer. Full moon in Scorpio, breathe through the tension. Okay. And last quarter moon in Taurus, release control. Okay, so huwag masyadong controlling. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba, dapat reciprocated yung ano nyo, yung lahat. Attention, love, decision making, choices, lahat yan has to be reciprocated. Now, imagination, I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. Regret, I know that I cannot change the past. Yeah. Diba? Kung ano man yung before na frustrated, kalimutan mo na yon. What is important is kung napag-usapan nyo, naging honest kayo sa isa't isa, naintindihan nyo, and you're willing to work it out. Friendship, I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. Yes, di ba? We really need friends, no? To be with us kasi in times of things na merong hindi tayo clear, sila yung talagang pwede nating sabihan whatever it is. Yung totoong kaibigan, ha? Hindi yung mga ano-ano lang dyan. Sino-sino lang. Okay? So, I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.